Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you'll be able to update your Facebook app. And before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So either you're using Android phone or iPhone, you just have to go over to your Play Store or your Apple Store, and over at the search area you have to type in Facebook and you're going to see it. Either you're using Facebook or you're using Facebook Lite. So let's go over to Facebook, and here you're going to see updates. You just have to go over to update it, and this is the size of MB required, which is 385.7 MB, and you just have to go over to update and your Facebook app will be updated, and you'll be able to receive the latest version of Facebook and the new features which comes with a lot of it. As you can see, it here is already downloading. It won't take much time before your Facebook app will be updated. So it's almost done here, or else you have a network issue, and when it's done you just have to go over to open. Let me go over to it, and it has taken me back to Facebook. Over here, which is Facebook, you will notice that a lot of things have changed in case you're using the late version of it, and this is the new version of Facebook. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.